Let's talk about Miracle Marker. So, it isn't a paint marker body. What this means is if you just go to draw on your hand, it's going to be dried up. There's actually these different parts to this, and I'm actually going to break this down to show you. This tip pops out pretty easy. You might have to grab okay, there we go. So, here's what this is. There are these tiny little fibers. Can you see how these separate? They're actually little paint brushes. They're plastic paint brushes. So it's like these little brushes in this tube, and then at the very, very tip, there's just a few of these little brushes that make up the tip. So you've got your paintbrush here, and then you've got your paint can. That's what I want you to think, how I want you to think about this. And then there is a pumping mechanism in the middle. This is going to be hard to take off, so I won't. But basically this section right here, when you pump it, it puts ink down this well into your paintbrush, and then it comes out. So every pen comes dried up. So this is how you make it work, okay? So first of all, you only ever want to tap on the cap. Do you see this tiny little dot? There. It's perfectly indented to tap your tip. So first step of using Miracle Marker, you absolutely want to use rubbing alcohol. You have to clean off all oils on the skin. Unlike surgical marker that stains the skin, this actually paints on top and it dries, it adheres. So if it's oily, it won't adhere. Okay, so you're gonna shake it, shake, 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 shake. And so you're mixing your paint, right? Mix, 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 mix. Okay, then we're going to pump, and you want to pump it all the way down, and then do it again. Pump, pump. I usually do this. Do you see how just a tiny bit came out on the cap? So then I'm going to try drawing. Yay! Now it's crazy, but sometimes this takes lots of pumping. Sometimes it's 2 pumps, but the trick is look for when it creates just the tiniest bit of a puddle on your cap. It's going to hurt. This is plastic, so it's going to hurt if you're pumping on your hand. But it's very important to pump all the way down. All the way down. And that's drawing paint into your paintbrush. So, Miracle Marker works awesome if you are careful about not putting numbing cream directly on top of it. If you draw your outline and only put the numbing cream on the inside and wipe it off, you can seriously use just Miracle Marker as around your outline, and you'll love it. If you tend to use more numbing cream and it kind of spreads, and when you occlude it, it kind of just goes everywhere, that's where if you throw matte block over this, holy moly, you don't even know. Like, game changer. So you can use it on its own, or you can use it with matte block, but I'm telling you, you just gotta try it. As long as you can figure out the little bit finicky pumping, you're gonna love it. So, all right, have a wonderful day. Thanks for trying our products.